Um, Ever wonder what it feels like to build a legacy for Keith Richards, the Rolling Stones legend? Uh, that legacy is growing with each new generation. Before we dive in, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy this content. At 82 years young, Keith has recently added another title to his name, grandfather, for the 8th time. It's a remarkable testament to family love and a life well lived. But how did this latest addition come about? His daughter, Theodora Richards, age 41, secretly welcomed a baby boy 5 months ago. She introduced Tarkin Nathaniel Richards Burnett to the world through social media. The announcement was heartfelt and joyous. She shared that little Tarka has been rocking our lives alongside his brother Augustus, and uh, and the family is overjoyed with this new chapter. Augustus, born in May 2024, already had a head start on sibling rivalry. He's clearly embracing his role as big brother to the newest member of the Richards clan. Theodora expressed immense gratitude for her growing family and all that life has to offer with this expansion. Its clear love is abundant within these walls. News of Takar's arrival brought a wave of well wishes from friends and fellow musicians, like Leah Wood, who celebrated the continuation of their cool legacy. Um, Model Poppy Delavigne shared her excitement, calling Theodora's boys perfect. The support within this creative circle is truly special. But that wasn't all. Earlier in May, Keith became a great grandfather as his granddaughter Ella welcomed daughter Luna. It's been quite the year for family expansions. Ella is Marlon Richards' daughter, Marlon being Keith's eldest son. The lineage continues with love and creativity at its core. For the blasting commentations of Keith openly shared his anticipation on social media. Looking forward to welcoming his first great grandchild. Uh, he's clearly thrilled to witness uh, the next generation blossom. Ella's partner, Sasha, adds another layer of fascinating history to this family story. His lineage connects him to European aristocracy and even Otto von Bismarck. Keith is a father to 5 children, now a grandfather to 8. It seems the rock and roll lifestyle isn't slowing down his personal life at all. Becoming a great grandfather at 82. Keith Richards must have 9 lives, or maybe just really good genes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.